Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel, and boy do we have a video today. Berkshire Hathaway, I think I'm saying that, aka the Warren Buffett stock. Crazy news has been going on about it today, and we're going to be talking about what's going on. Should you buy this stock? So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter. I'm a full-time trader in the stock market, and with that being said, we do have an amazing school where you guys can learn how I trade and how I find stocks. It's absolutely fantastic, and you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. But guys, let's dive into Berkshire Hathaway. So for those of you that don't know what this company is, this company, is the Warren Buffett icon. This is his prized possession. This is his company. And what we've seen over the past several years is a great upward trend. This stock has gone from lows, which is crazy, at about $70,000. Right now, it's over $600,000 a share, which is absolutely incredible. And one of the reasons why this stock is so expensive is because Warren Buffett doesn't believe in stock splits in his own company. He doesn't believe in those, and he doesn't believe in dividends, which is funny to think about for a guy that gets paid like $1 billion a year from holding Apple stock just in dividends. But anyways, with that being said, Berkshire Hathaway is a fantastic company. And what this company does, for those of you that don't know, is they buy stocks. They buy investments, whether those investments are real estate or more popular, they are actually stocks and commodities and bonds and a variety of things here. So, all right, let's kind of dive into the chart here. So looking at it, you guys can see that lately, with a variety of stocks very similar to Berkshire Hathaway, we've seen a decent amount of growth. It's gone from about $500,000 to over $620,000 for a share price. But more importantly, why are we getting so much buying pressure? Let's go to this here. So this is this article here. So this is something that's absolutely crazy. Berkshire Hathaway's Q4, so quarter four, operating earnings rose 28% year over year, which is awesome. The company repurchased $2.2 billion worth of common stock during the quarter, doubling its repurchasing compared to quarter three and bringing 2023 purchases to $9.2 billion. As of December 31st, 2023, Berkshire Hathaway held approximately $167.6 billion in cash and short-term securities from $156 billion at the end of September. So what they are doing is they are holding more cash. So for me, as an investor that invests into stocks, very similar to like Warren Buffett, not as good and probably not nearly as successful as he is. But one of the things here with Warren Buffett is he's smart. He understands recessions. He understands times of hardship, and he understands that during those times, recessions, hardships, crashes, corrections, what's very, very important? How can you buy stocks at a cheaper price? You need to have cash. So he's holding a little more cash, possibly in preparation for a correction or a crash. But let's continue to go through it here. Q4 operating income was $8.4 billion, which was a decline from $10.8 billion in quarter three, but an increase from 6.6 a year ago. So year over year, or for the year, they're still up, which is good, but a little decline from their previous quarter. So this is crazy though. One of the things here that does blow my mind is the repurchasing in common stock. So they're buying back some of their stock as well as their cash. So for me, answering this question of should you buy Berkshire Hathaway? Well, I think yes. I think looking back in a couple of years, just like we've looked back, as we zoom out, you look back in mid 2019 where it was, climbing all the way up here, and then it went through that crash, and then literally several months later, it's been on a nonstop roar, hitting all-time highs. Historically, anytime the stock hits all-time highs, yes, we do get sell-off, but shortly after, we do get a decent amount of buying pressure back up. So the strategy that I would use and I would recommend for investing into this company, Berkshire Hathaway, is gonna be to dollar cost average it. Dollar cost averaging is it's an investment strategy that what you do is you just invest consistently rather than just dumping a bunch of money in it. And the reason why is because if that's just say right now we're at all-time highs with Berkshire Hathaway, and we could get some sell-off back down to probably some moving average lines near around the $550,000 mark. Now, yes, we could get some sell-off here, but if it does sell off, you're just averaging down that price. So now instead of your average cost being at all-time highs, maybe it's near and around 600,000 or 680,000. So now your break-even point is a lot lower. So once it recovers, just like it's kind of always done, you make money a lot quicker, and you make more money because your average cost is lower. It's a good way to invest into growth stocks and in companies that are a little more volatile. But this one here, if I was going to do a massive one lump sum, I would probably try to get it near and around this 200 moving average line, which is that red line here, and that would be near and around $535,000. And the cool thing about Berkshire Hathaway, for those of you that don't know, is they do have two different account types. They have two different type of stock here. The first one is BRK.A, and then the other one is BRK.B. The only difference between the two is literally just the share price. This one here is $417 compared to Berkshire.A, which is over $600 and something thousand, which is incredible. So they do have two different types of stocks, which is great. But overall, guys, this is everything going on. They do have great news, and maybe one day we'll get one share of Berkshire Hathaway A common stock. And in order for me to do that, you guys got to like and subscribe. So do that right now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. But this is everything going on with Berkshire Hathaway and my strategy for investing in this stock. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Take care.